program a Panasonic remote control. One of the most popular brands for remote controls and appliances is Panasonic. The Panasonic is a popular universal remote control because it works with a wide range of appliances and manufacturers. If you have purchased a new Panasonic remote control, here are some steps to help you program it so that you can use it for whatever appliance you want. Locate the appropriate buttons. Start by searching for the power and the action buttons. These are the buttons that you need to press first in order to start the remote control and in order to begin to program it. They are usually found on the upper part of the remote control, and are usually colored gray. There is a small label on each button, which will help you identify the action and the power buttons. Press for 10 seconds. After finding these buttons, you will need to press them for a couple of seconds. As a bare minimum, you should press them for at least 3 seconds. As much as possible, however, you should press the buttons for up to 10 seconds. After pressing the buttons, you will need to select the correct function button for the device that you are trying to program. The function button refers to the appliance that you are trying to program. If you are trying to program a stereo system, for instance, you need to press this button. If you are trying to program a TV set, press the TV button. If you are trying to program a DVD player, press this button. Enter the manufacturer's code. Now, the next step is to enter the manufacturer's code for the particular appliance that you have selected. The list of codes is usually found on the documentation and papers that come with the Panasonic remote control. If you cannot find the appropriate code, you can also visit the Panasonic website and search for the updated list of codes that will work with the remote control. Enter the 3-digit code and press the Enter button. Code search. As an alternative to manually putting in the 3-digit code, you can also press the code search key. This key will give you a list of all the codes that are programmed into the remote control. All you need to do is to select the appropriate code. You should be able to use the volume buttons to move up or to move down the list of codes that are stored in the remote control. Select the appropriate code. Check. After selecting the correct code, you should aim the remote control at the appliance and then try to turn it off using only the remote control. If you are able to do this, then you have probably programmed the remote control correctly. Now all you need to do is to check the other buttons, such as the volume buttons, the disk controller, and the channel buttons. With these in mind, you should be able to use your Panasonic Universal Remote Control for any appliance in your house. Programming will take only a couple of minutes, and your remote control is ready.